How to use WhatsApp New Group feature 2026. To use the WhatsApp New Group feature, first of all, launch the WhatsApp application. Then tap on this green tab or green plus icon on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on this, you should be able to find this new group option at the top. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, select all the name or number or the username that you want to add to this particular group. Once you add them, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this arrow button on the bottom, then type your group name over here. You can also change the settings for your messages. You can set the disappearing messages, which means that the message will remain onto the group for 24 hours and it will be reset, or you can also turn this function off. Within the group permission setting, you can set group permissions with the members if they can invite other people onto this group, or they can send the new messages or not. Now, once you go through all of these options, go ahead and create a new group. Once the group is created, all you have to do is open the group panel itself. From here, tap on the group's name at the top and you can use all these features from here. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.